A for apple.
A for apple.
B for banana.
B for banana.
C for cocoplum.
C for cocoplum.
D for damson.
D for damson.
E for Etrog.
E for Etrog.
F for fig.
F for fig.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for honeydew.
H for honeydew.
I for icaco.
I for icaco.
J for java pluml.
J for java pluml.
K for kiwi fruit.
K for kiwi fruit.
L for Loquat.
L for Loquat.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nutmeg.
N for nutmeg.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pear.
P for pear.
Q for Quandong fruit.
Q for Quandong fruit.
R for raisins.
R for raisins.
T for tomato fruit.
T for tomato fruit.
U for usuma fruit.
U for usuma fruit.
V for velvet bean.
V for velvet bean.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for zoai.
X for zoai.
Y for youngberry.
Y for youngberry.
Z for zapot.
Z for